Okay, let's do a hard reset on this smartphone Schok Freedom Turbo. This phone you can buy it on Target stores, and it's a GSM unlocked phone. And the phone must be powered off and remove any external memory card to save some files stored in this phone. Okay, and um, it is very important that you know your Google account, because after the factory reset, you have to confirm Google in order to proceed and get to the home screen or initial setup. And this purpose is to remove any password, pattern, or pin blocking the screen of the phone. And consider that pictures, videos, contacts, email addresses, passwords, downloaded applications, everything stored in the phone's memory will be removed or deleted. Okay, with the phone power off, you're gonna use the volume up key and the power button. You're gonna hold these two buttons for 6 seconds and then release the power button, but continue holding the volume up. Okay, and when you see a recovery menu on the screen, just release the power up, volume up. Okay, so already gonna start using volume up and power key for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release power button, continue holding volume up, and we're supposed to get like I said, some white letters. But if you don't see anything after 5 seconds, don't worry about it, you're gonna start over again. What happened is the processor of this phone is kind of slow. So okay, let's go to volume up and power key. We're gonna do 7 or 8 seconds this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. Okay, you go. Now when you see this menu, release volume up immediately. And let me focus here on the camera right there. Okay, so using volume up is to navigate and select. Okay, so don't touch volume down at all. You want to touch only the volume up. And as you can see, you are navigating the arrow there, and the arrow has to stay on recovery mode. Okay, recovery mode. And once the arrow is there, your okay or enter is going to be your volume down. That's why be careful with that. So press volume down to do the recovery menu. Already press the volume down. It's gonna take, let me see. Okay, you have to press properly. Okay, and here you're gonna take a few seconds, and then you're gonna see the Android package there with the no command message. Okay, so this is the tricky part. We're gonna press volume down and power key. We're gonna press these two ones together for 7 seconds, and after 7 seconds, press with this finger right there, this finger here, just press the volume up for 1 second, release, press and release. And the volume down power key is gonna stay there steady. Don't remove those. Okay, okay, so volume down and power key at the same time for 5, let's do 6 seconds. Okay, so down and power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press volume up, release. Then when you see this recovery menu, release it two once. Okay, so remember volume down and power key for 6 seconds, and then press volume up one and release. Okay. Alright, so we are on the recovery menu. Now is using volume down, you want to highlight and select reboot wipe data factory reset. Okay, using power key is going to be or enter. Okay, and second step is to confirm. We already spoke about the at the beginning of the video that everything is going to be deleted and there's no way to restore them. So you agree with that and know your Google account and password, because after this factory reset you had to confirm. So if you're not able to confirm, you won't be able to get to your home screen. So yeah, make sure to know your email and password. Okay, so now press power key. Yes, delete all user data, and here is going to take some 5 to 8 minutes. Actually, nope. The last step is reboot system now. So now we're gonna press the power key to confirm, and here is where it's gonna take 5 to 8 minutes for the phone to properly reboot, and then you're gonna take us to the initial setup screen. Okay, so right here, just in case that you get stuck on the Schok logo or Android package or something, and just remove the battery and put it back, wait 10 seconds and then put it back in and start over again with the same steps that we did at the beginning of the video to calibrate the motherboard. The thing is that sometimes we fail to reboot the phone at least 3 times a month, and we usually download a lot of applications like music or games, and we fail to reboot the phone, and also a lot of web history, a lot of um, pictures, videos on the uh, deleted on the trash, and that's why we need to reboot the phone at least 2 or 3 times a month. And when we fail to do that, that's when the motherboard needs to calibrate. Okay, so you get stuck here more than 8 minutes, that means there is a problem there. So like I said, just remove the battery, wait 10 seconds, start over again the same process until you are able to get the initial setup screen. And if you experience a lot of drop calls, sometimes you need to calibrate the motherboard also to help the phone to work properly. Not because of bad coverage of your carrier, but just the motherboard is the issue. Okay, so make sure that you do that. And if you happen to have to do the factory reset, you make sure to do a backup on your data with your Google account so you can restore everything else after. Okay, so we are on the initial setup phone. If you bought this phone for the first time, or you did a factory reset, this is the initial setup screen. So let's go to the steps to register. Let's open this so you can see all the languages that you can use on this phone. And yeah, these are the languages. Well, for now you're gonna stay with English and touch the get started button. If you have an active SIM card from your carrier, go ahead and insert so you can have data on the phone, or just skip this step. Second step, the first option is to confirm or register Google. The first one is if you already have an existing account, this is where you want to register your Google account so you can download everything else, or set up as a new phone. You can set up a new Google account, and for that you need internet, so just register any Wi-Fi so you can uh, continue with the registration. For now we're not going to use any network on this phone. And second step is to confirm Google services. The first one is location accuracy, so I recommend you to leave that one on, because when you go to Google search engine, the first result you're gonna get is the one on your phone's location, so just leave that one on and improve location accuracy. Any Wi-Fi available in your area, you are able to they will get a notification so you can use it and save your data package from your carrier. Okay, updates for your Android, leave that one on so you can get those periodically when it's available for your Android. Hit the next button. Time zone, register your time zone and the date. It's right here you can switch to month, okay, and select the date and day, and then hit OK when you're ready. The time, so this is the hour and this is the minutes, AM or PM. Okay, so hit OK when you're ready and hit the next button. A nickname for your phone is very important. If you happen to lose your phone and somebody else find it and they are able to guess your lock screen, like your pattern, password or pin, After many attempts, Google will consider that your phone has been compromised, so they're gonna ask them to verify nickname of the phone. If they fail to confirm nickname, they won't be able to access to the phone, and they won't be able to access to your personal information. So I recommend you to create a nickname for your phone that only you remember and always remember, because uh, mm, you're only gonna be using it when you forget your lock screen. Okay, you can set up password pin for your screen now, or you can choose this one later. For now, I'm gonna skip this step. And you can add a second email address from Gmail for your phone, or set up this one later. And we are on home screen of this smartphone Schok Freedom Turbo. Okay, it's a 12 SIM card. So if you have any questions on this, just find my video unboxing Schok Freedom Turbo smartphone, so you can see the accessories and the resolution of the camera, or any other questions that you may have on this phone. Just um, let me know in comments, and please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button if this information was helpful for you, and please subscribe. Thanks so much.